15, one 16. Hong Kong get the 15 and the What Royal get the 16. And then the way how Hong Kong can name and just get fat stuff. In name of the whole of him up around the back and give What Royal a none. No What Royal have to go share fees. So I want iPhone then have if I make tell you I start gonna know them business. I know. I think I did Shauna pussy full of copper shot. Check Queen and blood clot. Shay body work. They now use front wall, you know. Them now use front wall, you know. Once in a feed them back wall. Black light, blood clot, copper shot. Plap, plap, plap. I said that's a fire shot. Plap, plap. Now, Kyle, I think that's working. I real something. Real life thing going on with them. So you come and fight black as well. I saw them all black. My left side of my girl, then can't hear me now. Okay. Me live a Sunday Spring. You know got Sunday Spring? At 3 days, me move from us to, you know. Cause I get 4-bedroom house. And my man come live with me. I look at me. If I live at Sandy Spring, why you don't come? Belgium mattress. Dirty girl. Come now. Me say I have a piece. Put them in a one buckle. Huh? Me have one piece put them in a one buckle. It can serve shimmy, butter, tic-tac, liar, the girl when they pretty, Hong Kong and blood clot, what Ryla Shay. I have enough piece can say for you. Come at this blood clot address. No, you come. I have something waiting for you guys. And furthermore, now if you know me live. You think you know me live. You think you know me live, baby. Okay, I'm soon all I put up. That is not my address. You think you know me live. You think me 10 separate head of you. Me have one heap of address. Me have one heap of address. One of them, I hope me out for rent that blood clot. If you want one bedroom in Atlanta, link me. Leave me. If you want one bedroom in Atlanta, link me. Can get up on a good price. Shauna group up. And me stay from Shauna because Shauna pussy kill gully back. Shauna pussy sell cartel got jail. Shauna pussy make Stallion lose him quickly. I don't want Shauna pussy make me go crash. So not even the word me not like say. Make she go on fair with me. Make she go on fair with. See Eddie go mingle with her. No good God forbid if something happen to Eddie. Cause she walk with a man generational curse. She walk with a man generational curse, baby. So she tell me for going to the studio. What am I going to blood clot studio for? And I really Shauna will come, but don't change the topic. I know Shauna, Shay, and Queen we deal with. Shay and Queen can't even move around. The last time they move around, they must show tissue. You can't talk to Sky, no dear. Sky a top class girl in Miami. Sky have her blood clot cars. I'm not talk car, but cars. Big 4-bedroom house. Big 2 garage where you can park in the Benz. I may have my 2 nice apartment them. Or my 2-bedroom them in them. I'm a nice little Benz outside. I have a Lamborghini in my room and see ice that's there. You don't have nothing for sure. The last time I see a cuss with Rosalie, you tell Rosalie if you move around and the only